This is the GoSun Sport. This is the most phenomenal marriage of technology and utility that's on the planet today. This will literally cook your food in 20 minutes. And it's so easy because all you have to do is put your food in the tray, slide your tray in the tube, and point it in the sun. And if you're cooking a bread, you're about 15 minutes. If you're doing meat and potatoes, you're literally 25 to 30 minutes and your food is done. It packs up into 7 pounds. The base becomes your carrying handles. Check that out. That's 7 pounds. So you can bug out with this in an emergency, and in the bag, you've got enough food in there, if you've loaded it with freeze-dried food, that you've got enough food for a month for 2 people, 1 meal a day. Well, if an event happens, are you prepared? That means, do you have a way to cook the food that you've stored for your family to eat in a time of emergency? Because if you don't have a way to cook it, what good is the food? So if you have this product, you can cook food for up to 4 adults every day there's sun. And the last time I checked, the sun comes up every day.